Okay, good morning guys. So yesterday हम डीसी सर्क्यूट्स के बारे में देख रहा था. डायोड सर्क्यूट में डायोड डीसी कनेक्ट कर दिया. आज एसी सर्क्यूट्स, ठीक है. So let us see it now. Single phase off wave rectifier. Single phase off wave rectifier means first one AC supply is given and a switch, one diode, only one diode इधर connect करना, ठीक है. So network, this one is R load. मान लो switch is closed at T equal to 0. Please try to understand here now, one by one. Waveforms are coming slowly. ये वाला diode है, ये R है. So this is V0. So supply voltage is, this is the supply voltage Vm sin omega t. ये वाला Vs है omega t. Vs equal to Vm sin omega t. ठीक है. Now switch close कर दिया T equal to 0 पे. Oh, sorry, can I? हमने जो भी बताया तो सिंगल फेस ऑफ योर रेक्टिफायर. आई वाज ऑन म्यूट, पता नहीं है. No, it's not mute. Are you there guys? Can you hear me? Are you there? Sahu, Sujita and Sangyutya. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Vm sin omega t. देखा डायोड क्या होगा. डायोड ये वाला 0 to pi 2 pi here. डायोड जब बोला VA के पॉजिटिव होगा, दिस इज एनोड एंड कैथोड है ना. VA के पॉजिटिव मींस ओमेगा t 0 to pi, ठीक है. सो ओमेगा t 0 to pi हुआ तो डायोड चालू होगा, ऑन है ये वाला. So what happens here now? Diode is on, switch is closed already. Resistance इधर Vs है ये पीरियड में, तो V0 क्या होगा. V0 is equal to Vs. V0 equal to Vs. So I can draw that. Only that period. And if it is pi to 2 pi, pi to 2 pi क्या होगा. ये वाला Vs is negative, so diode is off, बंद हो जाएगा. So ये वाला resistance है, इधर Vs है ना. So no current is going here now. So V0 which is equal to 0. So V0 is equal to 0 वो वाला period में. So I can draw V0 same as this one. Either no voltage. Again starting will come here now. Most important one is, of course, current also same thing. Current wave also you can draw if you want. Current is same. What is the current here now? I naught is V naught by R. So current will be same. Most important one is I would like to draw VD also. Voltage across the diode. So tell me now voltage across the diode क्या होगा? इधर. This is VD. जब ये वाला कंडक्शन में जा रहा था, कंडक्शन में था ये वाला, उस समय वोल्टेज नहीं है आइडियल केस में. There is no voltage. So इधर वोल्टेज आई क्या? 0 to pi में, 0 to pi में वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द डायोड. केवीएल डालो, शॉर्ट सर्क्यूट है, वोल्टेज नहीं है. whenever something is conducting उसके बीच में वोल्टेज नहीं आएगा, ड्रॉप नहीं है आइडियली. pi to 2 pi, pi to 2 pi क्या है? This is Vs. So if you write the KVL, VD equal to Vs. VD equal to Vs means Vs क्या है? pi to 2 pi में, pi to 2 pi में नेगेटिव है. So diode will have negative voltage. That's all. And again 3 pi to 4 pi, same thing will come. I hope you understand this point here now. So the resistor is kept here. This is how the circuit will be there. And what about the average voltage? You can calculate the average voltage here now. V naught. V naught is average. Formula क्या है? Average voltage का networks में आपने सीख लिया होगा. 1 by time period. Time period कितना है इधर? कौन सा वेव? ये वाला वेव फॉर्म रिपीट हो रहा है. 1 by 2 pi. Okay. Integral 0 to time period. 0 to 2 pi means same u9 है. 0 to pi. Okay. Vm sin omega t. So 1 by time period. Normally, how do we define here now? F0 to t, f of t dt. This is the average voltage formula. So ये वाला लिखा मैंने 1 by 2 pi, 0 to pi, 5 to 2 pi नहीं है voltage. So this is the one. If you do this one, ये वाला standard है, and this one is standard one. It comes around Vm by pi. Just a simple thing. Vm by pi is obtained. Anyway, इसमें तो not kind of new things we learn. ये वाला even ADC में आ जाएगा. लेकिन आगे वाला जो भी नेटवर्क है इंडक्टर is very important for examination. L load वाला. So AC circuits में वाला first network है. Let us see the second network. Copy कर दिया आपने. What is the conduction period of diode, by the way? Diode conduction period कितना है? If somebody asks what is the conduction period of diode, कितना टाइम के लिए डायोड कंडक्शन में हो गए थे? समझ गए बात मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? कंडक्शन पीरियड ऑफ डायोड, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. डायोड कितना टाइम के लिए कंडक्शन में गया था? ये वाला डायोड है ना? डायोड कहाँ से कहाँ तक? 0 to pi तक. 0 to pi. Excellent. So that is important here now. So conduction period, क्योंकि हमारा इंटरेस्ट है डिवाइसेस के ऊपर है, पीई डिवाइस के ऊपर है. डायोड भी पीई डिवाइस है, which is a power diode. So हमारा इंटरेस्ट, पूरा इंटरेस्ट स्विचेस के ऊपर होना चाहिए. So conduction period of diode कितना है? This is omega t pi. So t equal to pi by omega. This is the conduction period of a diode. Pi period के लिए ये वाला conduction में आया था. See the next one, important one, inductor is most important one. You see a surprising results there. So second circuit here now, AC with RL load, with L load, sorry, very important one. This is important. There are gate questions on this and being asked 2-3 times. So Vs for a diode, yes, closed at t equal to 0. This is inductor, and V naught here. Okay. So voltage across the inductor. Now I would like to see how the behavior will be for this one. So just calculate the voltage across the inductor. V naught, which is equal to, when the diode is conducting, I'll tell you V naught equal to Vs when diode is conducting. That's what I don't know how much period diode conduction में हो रहा था. Diode conduction में हो जाएगा जब ये वाला इसमें diode में जाने वाला करंट कंटिन्यूअस है तो ये conduction में जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं कि plus and minus. So let us see here now. I'll tell you the point here. V naught equal to Vs. First, let me get the values here. So V naught, which is equal to L di by dt, which is equal to Vs ka value Vm sin omega t. So what is the value of this I? The current which is going here now, or I naught rather I would say. So Vm sin omega t dt, okay. L I chahiye na, so integral. So this value becomes I naught, which is Vm by L integral of sin omega t d omega t. No, 0 to t, not omega t, 0 to t. L dt है ना 0 to t. So how can I Vm by L sin omega t cos omega t with respect to dt है ना, right, upon omega plus constant k. So how much this is? Minus Vm by L omega cos omega t plus k here. So now at omega t equal to 0, meaning at time t equal to 0, that is t equal to 0. t equal to 0 में क्या है यार, करंट कितना है, क्लोज कर दिया, क्लोज नहीं किया, even if you close it also, inductor will not erode the current instantaneously. इससे पहले करंट नहीं, तो initial current is I naught का current is 0 just before the closing the switch. So even after closing the switch also 0 ही होगा, क्योंकि inductor will not allow the change in currents. So I naught 0 होगा. So what will happen? Cos 0 here now. What is the k value? 0 here minus Vm by L omega cos 0. So the k is Vm by L omega. So if you substitute this k value, total I becomes here now, very interesting expression. Apka I naught, the current going in the this one is Vm by L omega cos omega t, k value Vm by L omega. So if we Vm by L omega common ले लो 1 minus cos omega t r. So means अगर आपने इंडक्टर को कनेक्ट कर दिया, अगर आपको इंडक्टर को कनेक्ट कर दिया तो एसी सप्लाई दिया, तो करंट का एक्सप्रेशन यही है, irrespective diode is kept or not kept, no matter diode रखा है diode ना रखा है, तो करंट का वेव फॉर्म यही है. So अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. So let me draw the wave form here now. So first supply voltage always supply voltage Vs draw करना, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi. Okay, and then we can draw the value of current. Let me draw the current so that what you appreciate here now, current waveform. Current. So please see here now, at omega t 0, right? I naught is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So point is somewhere here now. Vm by L omega. If you want, you can substitute also values. Vm by L omega, somewhere here 90. And cos pi minus 1. So 2Vm. This becomes 2Vm. And pi and 2 pi के बीच में around 270. If you keep the 270 here now, that's 0. Vm by value is this. And then 2 pi cos 2 pi here, and it becomes 0. So if you draw the curve, current curve, just the values that you are obtaining here, meet में रख देना please. Saho, mute please. Okay, so this is 2 pi. Then after 2 pi also, the same thing is repeating here now. 4 pi तक. So have you seen here now, ये वाला current waveform is not going negative anywhere. Always the current is going from anode to cathode. Current is continuous here. जब inductor load connect कर दिया, current is continuous within a period of 2 pi. 2 pi का time period है. पूरा 2 pi time period में it's a continuous. Of course ये वाला magnitude कितना है? मैंने बताया ये. This is Vm by L omega. ये length कितना है? 2Vm by L omega. Again Vm by L omega. This is 0. So very important point here now, when the inductor is connected, current is continuous. Current is continuous for a period of 2 pi. It conducts for a 2 pi. Time period is 2 pi. It conducts for a 2 pi here now. So we call that something called extinction angle. It will come. So extinction angle. There is no extinction angle. Extinction angle will come. It get extincted at 2 pi. You can say when the diode is kept here. But anyway, so understand here the current is continuous or conducts for a period of 2 pi when inductive load is there. When resistance load is there, diode का conduction कितना है? Diode का conduction कितना है? Pi is the conduction period of diode when the resistor is connected. अगर ये वाला हुआ तो look at the beauty here. V naught. Current continuous here. So irrespective of omega, irrespective of plus or minus, diode is continuously conducting. Diode is continuously conducting. So what will happen here now? V naught value क्या होगा? Omega t 0 to 2 pi supply ये वाला inductor है V naught Vs है. So V naught which is equal to Vs. So इसका waveform very interesting. This one. Same waveform what we obtained for the source. even the negative also, because current is going, right? This is the one. V naught is same as Vs throughout the period of time period. So why? Because current is continuous, because current is continuous इसलिए V naught का voltage आ जाएगा, ठीक है? So please copy this one, please. तो पॉइंट इधर क्या है, इंडक्टर रख दिया तो डायोड का कंडक्शन कंप्लीट 2 पाई होगा। डायोड में कंडक्शन है ना, पूरा कंडक्शन 2 पाई में चलेगा। रेसिस्टर रख दिया तो इसका कंडक्शन is only for a period of pi only. Let us see for the capacitor here. Capacitor में what will happen? And by the way, what is average voltage? Output voltage. इसका average voltage क्या होगा? What is the average voltage of this? V naught, completely from 0 to 2 pi continuously it's going. So what is its value? 1 by time, it's a standard value, है ना? Inductor, when it is connected and average voltage it becomes 0 here now, V naught. And from 0 to 2 pi continuous it's going. So it becomes 0 here now, V naught. Average voltage, which is equal to 0. Complete waveform. Please mention that point. Average output voltage is, for inductive load, it is 0. Okay. So let me move on to the next one here now. Okay. Capacitor. Third one, capacitive load. So if C load is kept, so then what will happen? AC supply and switch is closed, diode is kept. Now the capacitance C. You will have V naught either. So now the switch is closed here now at T equal to 0. Now I equal to C dV by dt. Current चाहिए ना, ये वाला I naught C dV by dt. So what will happen? C d by dt, V naught equal to Vm sin omega t. So what will happen here now? Vm C cos omega t omega. So omega C Vm cos omega t. This is the current here now. Now let me draw the waveforms. Again diode conduction period के लिए एक important point के diode कितना time period के लिए conduction में जा रहे हैं. First Vs draw करो. AC supply है. Pi. So yeah, pi 2 pi here, 3 pi. So पहले current draw करो, क्योंकि based on current only your conduction will start. So ये वाला current I naught. Current is cos omega t. So sorry, सुबह सुबह है ना किड्स का डिस्टर्बेंस है. No problem. So ये क्या है, cos फंक्शन है ना. So cos फंक्शन कहाँ तक पॉजिटिव होगा? Only up to pi by 2 here. Pi by 2 के बाद ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. So this is what the cos function, and after that it won't be there. Won't be there. But the interesting part is V naught क्या हो गया? Let us see V naught. What will happen to the V naught here now? The interesting part is इससे पहले V naught equal Vs हो गया. अभी क्या हुआ? I want to know V naught. So omega t between 0 to pi by 2 ये वाला conduction में था, inductor, diode, and now the capacitor is here now. So Vs here now, V naught. So V naught equal to Vs only. So no problem. इधर तक आ गया. So whatever is there, same waveform as Vs. इसके बाद ये बंद हो गई यार, कंडक्शन बंद हो गया. ओमेगा टी इज ग्रेटर देन पाई बाई 2. वोल्टेज आ गया कैपेसिटर, करंट नहीं है, करंट 0 हो गया पाई बाई 2 के बाद. तो इसलिए स्विच ओपन हो गया, तो ये सप्लाई इधर है, इसको इस तरफ कनेक्शन नहीं है. व्हाट इज वी नॉट? कैपेसिटर के ऊपर ऑलरेडी कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स आर चार्ज्ड, राइट? सो वी नॉट इससे पहले कितना वोल्टेज है उतना वोल्टेज मेंटेन करेगा कंटिन्यूअसली. So this voltage will be there continuously, you know, it won't come back even after 2 pi also. Please understand here now, 2 pi के बाद भी क्योंकि करंट नहीं आएगा, वापस नहीं आएगा. क्यों करंट नहीं आ रहे? क्योंकि इधर भी ऐसे इधर भी ऐसे, दोनों तरफ डायोड इज काइंड ऑफ टर्न ऑफ, डायोड इज ऑफ. डायोड ऑन के लिए VA के पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. VA के कभी पॉजिटिव नहीं होगा जब आपका राइट साइड प्लेट इज पॉजिटिव विथ VS. So this is maximum of VM continuously, right? What is the diode voltage here now? Diode बंद हो गया. This is VD, this is VM, ये वाला VS है. KVL अप्लाई करो. अगर आपने KVL अप्लाई कर दिया तो VD के लिए minus VS plus VD plus V naught equal to 0. VD which is equal to VS minus V naught. VS is VM sin omega t. V naught is VM. V naught मतलब इधर, which is VM. So this is VM so I'm just writing here now, VD value is VM sin omega t minus 1. Let me draw that here now. Voltage across the diode, क्योंकि peak inverse voltage के लिए there is something called peak inverse voltage. How much the maximum voltage are feeling across this one, right? Across the diode, in this case. So if you draw this waveform, same substitution only. Conclusions याद रखना. I'll give the conclusions anyway. Pi by 2 pi, this is 2 pi. Pi तक डायोड कंडक्शन में जा रहा था ना, so इसमें क्या है, वोल्टेज नहीं है pi by 2 तक, क्योंकि कंडक्शन में, इसके बाद कंडक्शन में नहीं है. Then what will happen? Just substitute. Pi sin pi 0, so minus pi होगा, minus Vm होगा, right? This is 0, Vm minus 1 is there, minus pi, and then ये वाला 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 substitute करो, this is minus 1, 3 pi by 2, minus 2 Vm, minus 2 Vm, this is minus Vm, minus 2 Vm, okay? Then 2 pi also minus Vm, and 5 pi by 2, 0, it becomes 5 by 2. So something like this waveform. It's going. So what is the just substitution? इसमें value substitute कर दिया बस, आपको ये magnitude आएगा, waveform आएगा. pi पे minus Vm है, 3 pi by 2 substitute कर दिया, sin 3 pi by 2, 270 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 Vm, again 2 pi, ये वाला 0 है, minus Vm है, ठीक है, and again this pi pi by 2, it becomes 0, this is pi pi by 2, 0, and then continuously by 12. So diode, what was the kind of maximum voltage it can appear? Is it 2 Vm here now. So conclusions क्या है, हमने 3 networks देख लिया. 3 networks में when the AC circuit is given, conclusion is, please, when AC supply is given, please mention the conclusions. When AC supply is given for a time period of 2 pi, write down these conclusions. When AC supply is given for a time period of 2 pi, C conducts for, capacitor conducts for omega t equal to pi by 2, so t equal to pi by 2 omega. Capacitor conducts for omega t equal to pi by 2, t equal to pi by 2 omega. First point. Second, resistor R. Resistor कितना है? Omega t equal to pi, t equal to pi by omega. Okay. And another one, L load 3. Third one, inductive load. It conducts for omega t equal to 2 pi. So we call extinction angle. As I was saying that extinction angle conducts, we can say this extinction angle beta. How much period it's conducting? So as I was saying, extinction angle for R load, I'll write one by one here. Extinction angle beta for R load, beta equal to pi, L load, beta equal to 2 pi, and C load, beta equal to pi by 2. We call it extinction angle. How much time period is conducting, angle up to which it's being conducted. Okay, so shall we move on? So now the combinations can be obtained. RL load, what happens if RL load is given? So R and L individually हमने देख लिया. So what if combination R and L and RLE load? Those are important for us. Let us move on to that. So fourth one, RE load. This is also important क्योंकि हमें CRs में भी देखना है, कंट्रोल में डिस्कस करना है. Let us do it this one. So RE load means बैटरी चार्जेस, मोबाइल चार्जिंग. मोबाइल चार्जिंग कैसे हो रही है? ये वाला आपका अडाप्टर है, रेक्टिफायर है, एसी सप्लाई को कनेक्ट कर दिया आपने. दिस इज एसी सप्लाई, VS, राइट. बैटरी में, मोबाइल में बैटरी होगा E एंड सम रेसिस्टेंस होगा, सम नेटवर्क कनेक्शन अंदर. RE load. This is one example, battery charger, mobile battery charger. Otherwise, even the DC motor also, you can consider the DC motor also. AC supply is given the DC, for the DC motor. DC motor में क्या है? Back EMF आएगा. Right, we'll discuss that anyway. So this is kind of our E load. Tell me now, ये वाला anode cathode है VM sin omega t. Let me show that first of all. VS E कहाँ है? I'm just drawing the E here now. E का magnitude. So somewhere here now. For example, this is E magnitude. This is E. ये वाला length. Meaning VS, which is equal to 200 or 230 root 2 sine omega t. E values, example there are bus. So this is 40 volts. So what will happen here? इधर तक हमारा VAK positive हुआ. If VAK is positive, then diode conducts. Diode starts conducting. Do you agree with me? ये पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इधर देखो, ये वाला वोल्टेज, ये वाला 40 है, इस तरफ लेफ्ट साइड का वोल्टेज 40 से कम हुआ तो भी ये नेगेटिव होगा. सो डायोड विल नॉट गेट स्टार्ट. सो वेव फॉर्म्स इफ यू ड्रॉ हियर नाउ, जस्ट आई एम शोइंग दैट. कहाँ VA के कहाँ रेसिस्टर है ना. सो देखा, सो दिस इज द वैल्यू थीटा हम कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज थीटा 1. ये वाला टाइम पीरियड में भी कंडक्ट हो क्योंकि VA के पॉजिटिव ओनली है. समझिए ना बात, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग हियर नाउ. दिस इज पाई माइनस थीटा 1. ये वाला बात, ये वाला. So from here to here only, theta 2 pi minus theta 1 only, diode conducts here for RE load. Otherwise ये वाला E नहीं हो तो क्या होगा? डायोड कहाँ से कहाँ तक कंडक्ट होगा? डायोड कंडक्ट होगा 0 to pi क्योंकि R लोड है. लेकिन राइट साइड में वोल्टेज आया तो लेफ्ट साइड का वोल्टेज 40 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, तभी एनोड का वोल्टेज पॉजिटिव होगा, नहीं तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, डायोड कंडक्शन में नहीं होगा. So then what is the voltage? V naught waveform. So let us see 0 to omega t, 0 to theta 1. Theta 1 here. What is theta 1 by the way? Theta 1 calculate karna hai. That can be calculated here. Vm sin theta 1 is equal to E. So theta 1 is sin inverse of E by Vm. E आएगा ना theta 1, E आएगा. Theta 1 का, at theta 1 magnitude of Vs is ये वाला E है. So मैंने equate कर दिया. उस समय तक डायोड बंद है, मतलब डायोड will not start conducting, will not conduct. तो वोल्टेज कितना है यार? Can someone tell me? V naught कितना होगा? What is the value of V naught here now? Can someone tell me what is the value of V naught here? जब ये वाला कंडक्शन में नहीं है डायोड, so आउटपुट में कितना वोल्टेज है अभी? हाई या नहीं बताओ? What is the voltage? I'm expecting answer. ये back EMF है ना, ये वाला E. So E is the voltage. So that voltage I'll draw theta. Then omega 2 to theta 1, pi minus theta 1. So VAK is positive. Then what will happen? And your diode starts conducting. So voltage is from here to here, V naught. ये वाला VS है. So conduction में है VAK positive. Between the period, please understand, ये वाला period में है. इधर देखो, ये वाला period में. So V naught equal to VS आएगा. Same voltage है. So just drawing the V naught equal to VS. Again, pi minus theta, it goes on. Next, what will happen? Next, इधर तक 2 pi plus theta 1 तक. ये वाला 2 pi है. Again, same thing. Pi 2, next pi 2 continuously. Next theta तक. It won't conduct. So from here to here, I mean to say. From here to here. This is the one. Just let me draw here exactly this line के लिए. ये वाला लाइन इधर है ना, जहाँ पे, and this is your 2 pi. ये वाला 2 pi है. This is 2 pi plus theta 1. So इधर तक it won't conduct. Same thing. E will be there. Then again it starts. Then again it starts here now conducting. इधर तक. Of course, it repeats. Again it goes. समझ गए ना बात मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Initially theta 1 लेफ्ट साइड वोल्टेज ज्यादा होना चाहिए राइट साइड से, तभी डायोड कंडक्शन होगा, नहीं तो कंडक्शन में नहीं जाएगा. वो वाला बात थीटा 1 पे आएगा. थीटा 1 टू पाई माइनस थीटा, VA के पॉजिटिव, सो कंडक्शन में जाएगा. देन इट्स गोइंग ऑन. So now, what is the kind of, if you want, you can calculate the V naught value or I naught value here now. So what is I naught current? कहाँ से कहाँ तक conduction है? Only in this period I naught is going. Current is going pi to pi theta minus 1. So I naught value which can be written as Vm sin omega, KVL लिखते हैं ना, Vm sin omega t, KVL when it is conducting. This is what I am writing. Vs equal to I naught into R, resistance है ना, plus E. So I naught value which is equal to Vm sin omega t minus E by R. So then you can have average value, average current. average current I0 का value, capital I0 है. So what is the time period here now? Can someone tell me I0? I0 का high conduction होगा. Only here, from here to here. And again after 2 pi. So time period is 1 by 2 pi. Okay. And कहाँ से कहाँ तक के conduction? Conduction is only theta 1 to pi minus theta 1. बाकी period current conduction में नहीं है. And I of t के expression, this is the Vm sin omega t minus E by upon. Don't get confused here now. Expressions are very simple here. In this case, you need to understand the concept. There are gate questions here. I'll show you the gate questions also. So the simple one, I don't remember it normally, but by keep doing multiple times, even I remember these expressions. 1 by 2 pi r here now, just a denominator I'm taking out in this case. It will become 2Em. You need not remember. You have to solve in your examination. Cos theta 1 minus E phi minus 2 theta 1. These are the expression. 2Em cos theta 1 minus E. Okay, pi minus 2 theta 1 is the I0 value here. Okay. Can someone tell me here now, what is the conduction period of a diode here? This is very important. Exam में यही पूछा है. Conduction period of a diode. कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? ये वाला conduction में जा रहा है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक diode is being conducting?
Theta 1 से sir pi minus theta 1 से.
What is it? Theta 1 to pi minus theta 1. Excellent. So how much period है? ये वाला distance कितना है? Excellent. That is the conduction period of a diode. Conduction period of a diode. Excellent. But how much period? मतलब theta 1 to pi minus theta. लेकिन वो वाला total time कितना है? Total omega t कितना है? Difference ले लो. है ना, distance. What I am asking here now, ये वाला angle 30 degree है. ये वाला angle 150 degree है. 30 degree है, 150 degree है. उसका distance कितना है? That's what I am asking here. So conduction period of a diode. So this is what the question is. Simple. This is 30. 180 minus 30, 150. ये वाला difference कितना है? That is what I am asking. Conduction period of diode. As someone saying, I think Sahu. Difference is pi minus theta 1 to pi minus theta. So difference कितना है? Your example 150 minus 38.
120.
Yeah, 120 degree. So मतलब इधर कैसे लिखना generalized वाला? Pi minus theta 1 minus theta 1. So this is pi minus 2 theta 1 is the conduction period of a diode here now. So you can write here. This is the conduction period. This is actually important. This is what being asked in examination. Conduction period of a diode for your diode in this case. Another one is one conclusion. You just remember the conclusions. And second one is power delivered to the load. Load मतलब ये वाला EB load है, RB load है. मतलब मोबाइल में सब कुछ होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि E is not a load. In fact, E is our load. मोबाइल में आपका बैटरी is our load. बैटरी को चार्ज करना है. So power delivered to load. P, power delivered to load is battery will require a DC current, E into I0. I0 is a DC current. And resistor requires AC current, which is RMS current. So we can have here now I0 RMS, I was saying, or I0 RMS. Whatever the way we calculate average current, similarly RMS current calculate कर सकते हैं, but need not calculate here. No, it becomes a tedious. Normally we take a current as a continuous one. I'll tell you that where to take continuous current. So but power delivered is I0 RMS for here. Another thing is very important one. Second conclusion ये वाला network में peak inverse voltage of the diode है, peak inverse voltage of the diode मतलब डायोड के बीच में कितना मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज अप्लाई करेगा, दैट इज द वन। लेफ्ट साइड वोल्टेज ये वाला आएगा, अभी ये भी आएगा, लेट अस सी हियर नाउ। अगर मान लो ये ई नहीं है यार, ई नहीं है तो आर लोड में कितना मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज अप्लाई करेगा डायोड के बीच में। डायोड के बीच में अगर मान लो आपका ई वोल्टेज नहीं है, बैक में वोल्टेज नहीं है, बैटरी नहीं है, तो डायोड जब ये वाला डायोड बंद हो जाएगा उस समय आर लोड देख लो, हमारा आर लोड देख लो, वीडी का वेव फॉर्म देख लो। मैं बोल रहा हूँ वीडी का वेव फॉर्म में वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द डायोड में मैक्सिमम नेगेटिव वोल्टेज कितना अप्लाई कर रहे जब ये वाला ई नहीं है उस समय। लुक एट दैट। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू सी फॉर दिस। उस समय ओनली वीएम है ना, आर लोड देखो, आर लोड हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया, वीडी का वेव फॉर्म, वीडी का वेव फॉर्म ड्रॉ कर दिया हमने। नाउ वीडी because we are interested in the switch, right? We are interested in the diode only. This is VD. So so 0 to theta 1 ये वाला वेव फॉर्म इधर है, VD इधर है, ये वाला VS है। सो KVL डालो, KVL डाल दिया तो माइनस VS प्लस VD, ऑलवेज दिस इज अ सिनेरियो, प्लस VD प्लस E which is equal to 0 KVL में है ना। VD which it becomes here, VS इस तरफ जाएगा, VM sin omega t minus E. This is the waveform here. VM sin omega t minus E. ये ड्रॉ करना बस, ओमेगा टी 0 तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, मैक्सिमम E आएगा, स्टार्टिंग है ना, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज E माइनस E, ओमेगा टी थीटा 1 तो VM sin ओमेगा टी थीटा 1 विच इज इक्वल टू E, दोनों से, सो ये 0 होगा। पाई टू पाई माइनस थीटा 1, सॉरी थीटा 1 टू पाई माइनस थीटा 1 कंडक्शन में जा रहे, सो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द डायोड इज 0, नो प्रॉब्लम। देन ये कहाँ तक जाएगा, कहाँ तक, नेक्स्ट साइकिल तक, इधर तक जब ये वाला मैक्सिमम होगा 2 पाई माइनस थीटा 1। नाउ कितना मैक्सिमम होगा सब अप्लाई करना है, अभी देखो पाई देखो, साइन पाई ये 0 होगा तो माइनस E, तो माइनस E आई। नेक्स्ट बीच में 3 पाई बाई 2 देखो, 3 पाई बाई 2 270 साइन 270 तो -1 माइनस VM माइनस E, तो इधर आ गया मैक्सिमम। So then 2 pi and it comes up to 2 pi is this one. So what is this value here? What is the total value? 3 pi by 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 कितना आ रहा है? What is the negative, maximum negative? That is what the peak inverse voltage of diode. Diode में कितना voltage maximum apply कर रहे? This is being asked also in exam. तो मतलब different years में ये value कितना है? Can someone tell me? What is this value? हमने कैलकुलेट कर दिया ना, इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 3 पाई बाई 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, मैंने बता दिया ऑलरेडी। साइन 270 -1 आएगा तो minus Vm minus VE. So this is minus Vm plus E. This is the value, maximum voltage applied negatively, that is the peak inverse voltage or voltage across the diode is Vm plus E. Okay. So now let us move on to the RL load, very important one, RL load. So ये वाला explain कर रहा हूँ इधर. Same things SCR में जब SCR रखेगा उस समय करना चाहिए, लेकिन उधर उतना explanation देने का जरूरत नहीं, हम सीधा जाएंगे. ठीक है, समझ गए बात? So here I am explaining in detail one by one circuit. There we need not explain the things. We'll go quickly over there. So let me move on to the RL load. ये समझ में आ गया ना? So mention this, peak inverse voltage of diode is Vm plus E. Peak inverse voltage of diode is Vm plus E. Please mention that point. Is that clear, guys? Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. This is also all our RE load, RL load, L load. All these basics are really, really important because I see questions there. This is with RL load and AB important. So what is happening here in this case? Switch is closed tomorrow, diode is connected, R and L. इसका बीच में ये वाला लोड है V0 है, this is Vs, and voltage across this is PD. Current which is going is I0. So do you remember that extinction angle का बात? Beat for R load, extinction angle how much? For L load, extinction angle how much? Can someone tell me? R load में extinction angle कितना है? मतलब कितना period के लिए conduction में जाएगा diode? How much the period?
5, sir.
Excellent. 5. Inductor में?
2 pi.
2 pi. Excellent. When R is there pi, L is there 2 pi. When both RL is there, your beta will be somewhere between pi and 2 pi. Do you agree with me? दोनों रखा है. When L dominates, the value will be towards pi. When R dominates, the value will be towards, L dominates towards 2 pi. R dominates, the value will be towards pi. So RL दोनों रखा, so beta का value pi to 2 pi में जाएगा, RL. So meaning, having said this, I would like to draw the wave. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर मान लो 182 ये बीटा वैल्यू 182 360 तक जाएगा, इसका मतलब क्या है? हमारा डायोड कंडक्शन कहां तक जाएगा? बीटा वैल्यू 182 360, मान लो मे बी 250 तक जाएगा. सो उधर तक ये वाला कंडक्शन में जाएगा, डायोड कंडक्शन में जाएगा, ताकि V0 will be Vs. So I can say here now up to omega t between 0 to pi. What is extinction angle meaning? Diode conducts, BD का value 0 है. Okay, ये वाला period में. What is V0? If you understand this point, V0 कितना होगा? बीटा एक्सटिंक्शन एंगल है, तो मतलब ये बीटा तक डायोड कंडक्शन में होगा. तो V0 is equal to, what is this V0 equal to? वैल्यू कितना होगा? कंडक्शन में है ना बीटा तक. So V0 equal to how much? Vs. V0 equal to Vs है ना, समझ में आ गया ना मेरा बात? So V0 equal to Vs. Anyway, let me show it here. I hope you understand that point, very important here. So yeah, current, that's what I'm saying. There is a mathematical expression, I'll do it anyway when the SCR comes, don't worry. But I know conceptually, I know RL का load में current कहाँ तक conduction में जाएगा. Current definitely will go more than beta, more than pi. मतलब conduction will be there. Just some waveform I'm drawing, definitely. So the current will be there going. Do you agree with me or not? First of all, you tell me this is pi, beta, randomly some waveform I have drawn. There is a derivation, you can draw this. Beta तक ये वाला conduction में जाएगा. Derivation कैसे आएगा? Let us see here now. I'm not doing derivation. Omega t is between 0 to beta. Extinction angle beta है ना? So what will happen? I know conceptually diode conducts. This is RL load है. This is Vs. So ये चाहिए हमको Rn I naught का value. KVL डालो. Vs which is equal to I naught R plus L d I naught by dt. Do you agree with me? Vs equal to Vm sin omega t I naught R L d by dt. So how can we solve this one? By, we know the AC transient analysis. So I of t can be, two terms will be obtained, steady state and the values and transient response. Based on that, your I naught value can be obtained as, we'll do in the networks here now, how to solve this AC supply here. So the value I naught is obtaining combination of steady state and the transient response. Steady state I know Vm by Z, sine inverse of angle आएगा Vm by Z at an angle, some minus theta. Theta value will be tan inverse of x by r, that I need to calculate. Transient response will be calculating some constant k into e power minus 80, something like that. We'll do that, but I'll write the expression here for your understanding. Maybe later we can do when in networks, ये वाला problem. So ये expression आ जाएगा आपको I naught का expression, total expression I'm writing here now. Vm by Z, and no need to remember sine omega t minus phi plus sine phi e power minus r by lt. This is the expression. So, but conceptually I know, conceptually हमको पता है कि R रखा तो pi तक जाएगा, L रखा तो 2 pi तक जाएगा करंट, दोनों रख दिया तो बीच में होगा 180 to 360 के बीच में होगा. So this is 2 pi and this is pi, इन दोनों के बीच में आ गया बीटा. उसका ये वेव फॉर्म जो भी मैंने ड्रॉ कर लिया उसका मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन यही है. समझ में आ गई वाला बात? Then 2 pi, again the same thing. From 2 pi, again the waveform starts. And again up to next beta तक जाएगा. Okay, fine then. So ये वाला period में, tell me now, V naught कितना है? Can someone tell me V naught कितना है ये वाला period में? What is V naught? In this period, what is V naught? Are you there guys? ये वाला period में V naught का value कितना होगा? ये conduction में है. Total voltage across the load is equal to, what is that? How much this value? Are you there guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's on. Good. So इसका voltage is Vs. So let me draw that. Same as Vs. Beta तक, whatever the waveform it comes, इधर तक, whatever the waveform it comes, this waveform I'll be drawing. This is the waveform. This becomes your V naught. क्योंकि Vs है ना? So the same sine waveform. this up to this one. This is beta. That's all. And similarly, of course, the 0 over. So now this one beta, this is 3 pi, same thing. So same waveform आएगा and extinction ये भी आएगा. That's all. So time period, this is the time period. 2 pi is the time period again. 0 to 2 pi. So if you draw the VD also, voltage across the diode, because that is also important. Diode, tell me now, what is the conduction period of a diode here? Can someone tell me कहाँ कौन सा टाइम पीरियड में, मान लो मैं बता रहा हूँ 0 to 2 pi में करंट इज ट्रैवलिंग अप टू 0 to pi, इसका मतलब क्या है? Diode is conducting here now for a period of how much? What is the conduction period of diode here?
5 plus beta, sir.
5 plus beta. Okay, so one thing, it is not 5 plus beta. I told you, yes, what I understand your point. You are saying that ये भी conduction है, ये period भी conduction है. नहीं, beta is from here. So beta का value, you know, beta का value how much? This is, look at this. Beta का value somewhere 200, 250. इसका मतलब मान लो ये वाला 200 है. इसका मतलब ये पाई भी कंसीडर कर दिया बीटा में. This is 180, beta is 200. So rather you can say pi plus beta. It's not pi plus beta. It is beta. क्योंकि a complete one. But I got the point. Your point is to say this period and this period. लेकिन बीटा वाला period ये नहीं है. I understand your point. Beta is from starting from 0 to, which includes this pi also. समझ में आ गया? Did you understand the point what I'm explaining? ये बात समझ में आ गया? So your extinction angle, तक conduction होगा. So your conduction period is omega t equal to beta. That is the conduction period of a diode here now. So what is VD? VD, so 0 to beta तक conduction में जा रहा था. So इधर voltage नहीं आएगा diode को, क्योंकि इधर देखो, इधर VD, there is no voltage. It is conducting. लेकिन when it is not conducting, when it is not conducting, when the diode is off between beta to 2 pi. So beta to 2 pi means this is the waveform. This waveform will be a plane. Always look at this. Vs is always Vd plus V0. तो Vs which ये वाला V0 हो गया, so Vd 0 हो गया. ये दोनों ऐड करो, Vs आना चाहिए. ठीक है? तो अभी ये देखो, this one is the Vs. So Vs equal to, you can say, a negative waveform आ जाएगा diode. Just I am drawing this based on this expression. Vs equal to Vd plus V0. V0 का value 0 हो गया. तो अभी diode का voltage is same as the Vs. This waveform I will be drawing. So I hope you understand this point. I'm just drawing that waveform. So means this AB draw करना, नीचे draw करके. That's all. Same this waveform I'm drawing. Again 2 pi to next one. इधर तक जाएगा. Conduction में नहीं है. Again it repeats. So this is the period it's not being conducted. What is the maximum voltage it can go? Maximum in this case also Vm. Peak and also voltage it can go here now. The concept is here now. The concept is here. Why it is going up to beta only here now? For example, if I draw the VR portion, I want to draw the VR here now. Let me show voltage across the resistance. Please understand, very important point. VR कैसे होगा? Whatever the shape I0 is there, VR shape will be same thing. I know VR and IR will be in phase. So current इधर VR I am drawing here now. दिस इज VR. ये कहाँ तक कंडक्शन जाएगा? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ये वाला पीरियड में वो से फॉर एग्जांपल AX, OAX. Tell me this up to this period, up to X period में what is happening here now? Don't you think here your VS is greater than VR? Don't you think your VS is greater than VR? From X to A wala period, don't you think this VR is positive compared to this VS? Do you agree with me? So, or rather I would say here now VL का value calculate करो. Let me do it here now. This is VR and this is VL and this is VS. VS which is equal to when this is conducting. I'm talking about when this is conducting. VS equal to VR plus VL. So VL can be written as VS minus VR. Do you agree with me? Tell me now, where is VL positive? VL कहाँ positive हो गया? VL equal to VS minus VR up to X. दिख रहा है ना आपको? VS का मैग्नीट्यूड पॉजिटिव है, VR का मैग्नीट्यूड पॉजिटिव है लेकिन कम है. So up to period X, VL is positive. What about IL? मतलब in the current going in the IL is I not? I is positive only. So what is happening in this period? Inductor absorbs the energy. Up to X, it absorbs the energy here now by the inductor. लेकिन ये वाला period में after X, what is happening here now? VR is positive, VS is negative. So after X and up to beta तक, VL is negative, is substitute करो, I naught is positive. So what will happen here? Energy from the inductor is releasing. So who decides the, please understand, who decides the conduction period of a diode? Who decides the how much period a diode needs to conduct? Here in this case, that is decided by the inductor. So what is happening here now? From up to the period of X, diode absorbs the energy, meaning matlab something like here now. Diode absorbs the energy. Then after X to beta, diode starts releasing the energy to the load as well as to the source. Resistor को देगा and source को देगा. Then at beta, energy in the diode is vanishes. ये खत्म हो गया तो diode बंद हो जाते हैं. खाली pure L load में scenario क्या है? खाली pure L load में क्या है? Continuously always absorbing है. Absorbing one period. And you can see the current is always positive. Pi तक VS positive है, pi के बाद VS negative है, voltage across that. So pi to 2 pi energy is releasing when the pure inductor is there. 0 to pi energy was absorbing. So you can see the inductor portion also there. So RL portion में क्या हो रहा है? X तक energy absorb कर रहा है, X के बाद बीटा तक energy release कर रहा है inductor. When both these are equal, ये वाला areas, look at here now, this area and this area, it has to be equal. Then energy in the inductor is 0 here now in this case. Please mention that point here. Please mention that point. Voltage across the resistor, voltage across resistors VR, voltage across resistor VR is equal to I naught into R. It has the same wave shape. It has the same wave shape as that of I naught. It has the same wave shape as that of as that of I naught. Okay. Up to x, x is the, we can say, maybe this one. This is up to x. This is, you can see, up to x, VL is positive, I naught is positive. Up to x, VL is positive and I naught is positive. Hence, the inductor absorbs the energy from source. Hence, the inductor absorbs the energy from source. You can copy this also. Vs equal to VR plus VL and VL equal to this. Next, from x to beta, VL is negative, I naught is positive. VL is negative, I naught is positive. Then the energy, then inductor releases the energy. Then the inductor releases the energy back to source and resistor load. Inductor releases the energy okay. The current I naught flows. The current I naught flows till the two areas are equal. Till two areas are equal. What are the areas here now? This is the area 1. This is area 2. Whatever the marked areas. The current I naught flows till the two areas are equal. Matlab, energy absorbed is equal to energy released. Matlab, energy absorbed is equal to energy released. Okay. And another point, average voltage across the inductor. Average voltage across the inductor is 0. Okay. Now mathematical expression. Average output voltage, first one, we just calculate the average output voltage. So before that, there's a freewheeling diode concept. What is that freewheeling diode concept? Let us see. Okay, anyway, let me finish this then. I'll clear it and draw. Average voltage calculate karo, V naught. Somebody else. So average output voltage V naught capital letter. V naught का waveform देखना है इधर. Conduction period time period कितना है? V naught is 1/2 pi. लेकिन कहाँ से? 0 to beta तक. 0 to beta. Beta is told you. Beta is from here. Beta is from here angle. 0 to beta. Vm sin omega t d omega t. So Vm by 2 pi minus cos omega t 0 to beta. So if we substitute this, Vm by 2 pi minus cos beta minus of minus cos 0. This is 1 minus cos beta. We notice this. And your I naught, this is the first one. Average output current. So which is I naught, which is equal to V naught by R. So this is same. V naught pata hai, so just you can substitute, otherwise you can just keep it as V naught is here. Okay. Is that clear? आउटपुट वोल्टेज क्या नेगेटिव आ रही है ना, नेगेटिव जा रही तो एवरेज वोल्टेज कम हो रही है. जब ये वाला नेगेटिव जा रही है प्लस को किल करेगा, मतलब प्लस जितना आएगा उतना सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगा नेगेटिव वाला. सो हमारा काम क्या है अभी, इसका आउटपुट वोल्टेज नेगेटिव नहीं आने का, नेगेटिव नहीं आने का. तो क्या करना है इधर, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव V naught should be positive. So I'll be having something called as a freewheeling diode. Let us see here now freewheeling diode. RL load with freewheeling diode. Okay. Same thing, I'll keep this for your understanding. And opposite से बगल में draw करता हूँ. ये हो गया ना, कॉपी कर दिया आपने. So now you draw separately, but just for comparison मैंने ऐसे रख दिया. So next circuit you can draw separately. So this one RL load with freewheeling diode. You keep separate heading. RL diode with freewheeling, RL load with freewheeling diode. मतलब ये नेटवर्क कैसे होगा? This is VSI, ये वाला V naught and R and L. एक और एक्स्ट्रा डायोड रखना चाहिए, freewheeling diode, a diode connected parallel to the load. or maybe anti-parallel. So what will happen here? This is FD I called. ये वाला main diode. What is happening? Let us see this one. ये वाला waveforms. This is without freewheeling diode. Whatever I have drawn. Now with freewheeling diode. Don't get confused. I just kept here now just for understanding reference. So okay, I naught. Again here I naught. This is I naught here, no? I naught is same expression. इसमें फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But a little bit improved waveform. The advantage बाद में बता दूंगा आपको. So I naught will be बीटा तक के सेम लोड है ना, लोड तो वही है. So same but little bit improved waveform. बीटा तक. Okay. Okay, forget about that. V naught is the one which is important for us. V naught. इधर तक no problem है. 0 to look at the period. Omega t 0 to pi तक FD ये तो conduction में जा रहे हैं. इधर plus है, ये वाला plus है ना. Look at this. Let me draw here. Diode this is conducting क्योंकि anode positive. ये वाला diode इधर plus minus है ना, तो plus is connected to anode here now. So plus ऊपर है, जब ये वाला conduction में है, ये this is connected to plus. So diode बंद हो जाएगा, freewheeling diode. So there is no action of the freewheeling diode when the main diode is conducting. So this is V naught. So V naught equal to Vs. समझ गए ना बात? So ये बंद हो गया क्योंकि ये प्लस इधर है, इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया तो ये ओपन है. So up to pi तक V naught equal to Vs. Same waveform. ये वाला जो भी waveform है, this waveform is repeating. V naught equal to Vs. ठीक है. पाई के बाद हमारा कंडक्शन कहाँ तक जाना है? मेन डायोड मतलब ये कंडक्शन पीरियड will be going up to, you can say here, बीटा तक जाना. पाई टू बीटा में क्या होगा? Please understand carefully. पाई टू बीटा में when this diode is, when this source voltage is getting reversed, previously ये डायोड क्यों कंडक्शन में जा रहा है? क्योंकि इंडक्टर कंटिन्यूअस करंट है. इंडक्टर कंटिन्यूअस करंट है अप टू बीटा तक. वो वाला इंडक्टर करंट को कैरी करने के लिए ये वाला डायोड कंडक्शन में जा रहा था. इंडक्टर मान लो आपने काल प्योर इंडक्टर रख दिया तो 2 पाई तक जाएगा. एक्सटिंक्शन एंगल 2 पाई तक है. क्यों जा रहे? डायोड क्यों कंडक्शन चल रहा है? क्योंकि इंडक्टर में करंट है, उसको कैरी करने के लिए फोर्सफुली इंडक्टर कैरी करना है. इधर लेकिन क्या होगा? जब ये वाला माइनस आएगा प्लस आएगा तो ये वाला डायोड है फ्रीव्हीलिंग डायोड, ये माइनस है. when this minus comes plus comes, ये वाला डायोड है ना, this get short circuited, started conducting. When this gets started conducting, तो इंडक्टर करंट है ना, ये वाला रेसिस्टर इधर है, इंडक्टर का करंट, पहले इंडक्टर करंट कैसे जा रहा है? सेम आई नॉट. सो उसी डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए आई नॉट, सेम डायरेक्शन में आई नॉट जाना चाहिए. सो नाउ द करंट स्टार्ट्स flowing. ये वाला करंट है ना, starts flowing through freewheeling diode. So that IS source current is 0. इसका करंट है ना, ये 0 हो जाएगा. So I repeat the point. पाई के बाद सप्लाई वोल्टेज माइनस आएगा प्लस आएगा. जब ये वाला माइनस प्लस आएगा, फ्रीव्हीलिंग डायोड ये वाला कैथोड इज कनेक्टेड टू माइनस, सो ये तुरंत चालू होगा. When this gets turn on, तो इसमें जाने वाला करंट इसके थ्रू फ्रीव्हील कर रहा है, इसके थ्रू कैरी कर रहे हैं. तो देन इसका इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, अभी ये बंद हो जाएगा, इसका जरूरत भी नहीं है, मेन डायोड की जरूरत भी नहीं है, तो मेन डायोड बंद हो जाएगा, खाली फ्रीव्हीलिंग डायोड जा रहा है, इंडक्टर भी कंटिन्यूस है करंट. सो व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज हियर नाउ? ये वाला शॉर्ट सर्क्यूट है, so V naught is kind of zero here now, so V naught is completely zero here now, and we can see this up to 2 pi when the next cycle starts. Again 3 pi, again this waveform get repeats here now, same thing. लेकिन ये वाला करंट है ना, मैंने लोड करंट बता रहा हूँ, लोड करंट कंटिन्यूस, लोड करंट बीटा तक जा रहे, so I can draw the freewheeling diode current also. V naught is this. Where is the freewheeling diode here now? If I draw here now, direction is IFD, freewheeling diode current. Can someone tell me what is the time period between freewheeling diode is conducting? Freewheeling diode कब conduction में यार? कौन सा time period में freewheeling diode is in conduction? Can someone tell me?
pi to 2 pi.
Freewheeling diode नहीं pi to 2 pi, ठीक है, pi to 2 pi जाएगा जब इंडक्टर में ज्यादा एनर्जी है, लेकिन मैंने इधर कहाँ तक ड्रॉ कर दिया, pi to I naught बंद हो गया बेटा, इसका एनर्जी नहीं है ना, सोर्स नहीं, इंडक्टर अगर लार्ज इंडक्टेंस हुआ तो 2 pi तक जाएगा, लेकिन इंडक्टर में पूरा एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगा, रेसिस्टर है ना, रेसिस्टर खा रहे एनर्जी, रेसिस्टर ले रहे एनर्जी, सो जब इंडक्टर में पूरा एनर्जी खत्म होगा तो करंट I naught 0 हो जाएगा, सो कहाँ से कहाँ तक, pi to बीटा तक आपको एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा पूरा एनर्जी, इसलिए ये वाला पीरियड pi to बीटा तक है. Yes, if large inductance is kept, so whatever he said, large inductance is kept so that I naught is continuous, then pi to 2 pi it will conduct. But ये वाला केस में ये वाला pi to बीटा तक कंडक्शन जा रहा है. So freewheeling diode is 0 to 2 definitely इसमें नहीं है, pi to 2 pi में जाएगा जब हमारा लार्ज इंडक्टेंस रखा, लेकिन इधर मैंने I naught बीटा तक ही शो कर रहा हूँ. So ये वाला पीरियड, this current will come, this is the current going in freewheeling diode, pi to beta, and again same thing, 2 pi nahi, 2 pi to 3 pi nahi, again it comes. I hope you understand this point. So freewheeling diode, what is happening in the advantage of freewheeling diode here now? Freewheeling diode, first thing is output voltage negative nahi ja rahi, so average voltage improve kar rahi. What is the average voltage, by the way? So what is the voltage? Average voltage is average voltage V naught 1 by time period 2 pi 0 to pi Vm sin omega t d omega t, है ना, इससे पहले कहा 0 to बीटा तक, सो ये नेगेटिव जा रहा है ना, सो डेफिनेटली ये वाला वोल्टेज कम है, ये अच्छा है, ये वाला वोल्टेज इज गुड, ये तो स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है ऑफ योर रेक्टिफायर, Vm by pi is the average voltage for this. सो इधर एडवांटेज क्या है, फ्रीव्हीलिंग डायोड की वजह से एवरेज वोल्टेज इंप्रूव हो रहा है, एक एडवांटेज है. दूसरा क्या, इधर देखो, जब ये वाला मेन डायोड बंद हो जाएगा, फ्रीव्हीलिंग डायोड चालू होगा, तो इंडक्टर में जो भी एनर्जी है वो वाला एनर्जी अभी किसको दे रहे, लोड को दे रहे, रेसिस्टर को दे रहे, ये ना इंडक्टर, ये वाला जो भी एनर्जी है इंडक्टर के अंदर, दैट एनर्जी, वो वाला एनर्जी अभी रेसिस्टर को दे रहे. सो आवर load characteristics or the system efficiency get improves, मतलब output is getting improved. इससे पहले क्या हो रहा था, इससे पहले when there is no freewheeling diode, what is happening here now, current is energy is being given to the source, समझ गए बात, ये वाला नहीं है, अभी क्या continuous it's giving to the load only, so energy stored in the inductor is transferred to the resistor R through the freewheeling diode, hence I can say that the system efficiency can be improved here now. So another advantage is ये वाला current waveform smooth enough है, that meaning mathematically we can calculate so that harmonics can be kind of reduced, smooth enough here now. So please write down advantage of freewheeling diode. Advantage of freewheeling diode. Average output voltage is improved. First advantage. Average output voltage is improved. Because freewheeling diode prevents the output voltage from becoming negative. Freewheeling diode prevents the output voltage from becoming negative. Second point. During freewheeling action, when between pi to beta. Freewheeling means freewheeling on. During freewheeling action, energy stored in inductor during freewheeling action, energy stored in inductor is transferred to load or energy stored in inductor is transferred to load resistance R. Hence the system efficiency is improved. Okay. Next one is load current waveform is smooth. Hence the load performance get better. Load performance gets better. Okay, this is all about good thing that tomorrow, I mean, we need to see the SCRs. Now the diode with the uncontrolled rectification वो भी ऑफ वेव है. वेव तो 2 पाई पीरियड में 2 पाई टाइम पीरियड में सिंगल वेव आ रही अभी तक देखा. एंड खाली डायोड है, अनकंट्रोल्ड है, मतलब स्टार्टिंग कंट्रोल करने के लिए नहीं है, मतलब फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉकिंग मोड नहीं है अभी. देयर इज नो फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉकिंग मोड. VA के पॉजिटिव हुआ तो तुरंत चालू हो जाएगा, लेकिन इसको कंट्रोल करना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए तो SCR यूज करना है. ठीक है. So that SCR and those things we'll see that tomorrow class. We'll start the SCRs here now. Control, मतलब phase control rectifiers. Phase control rectification. We'll see that in tomorrow's class. An important points आ जाएगा, वो वाला बड़ा चैप्टर है. Phase control rectifier बड़ा चैप्टर है. अगर वो वाला कंप्लीट हुआ तो ऑलमोस्ट आपका 70-80% सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा. आपका 4% इन्वर्टर्स बहुत कम है सिलेबस. ठीक है. So we'll do that tomorrow. Phase control. अभी तक बेसिक्स हो गया. पूरा बेसिक्स है आपका रेक्टिफिकेशन के लिए हो गया. We'll see the phase control rectifier. So any doubt in today's class? So far, any doubt? Power electronics, machines. Vishal, I think you're not attending machines class, and that's okay. Just curiosity asking. I think you're attending only power electronics. I feel. But it's already done. That's fine for you. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. No issues. No issues. ओके कौन सा क्लास चल रहा है विशाल मतलब वो वाला पीरियड में दूसरा क्लास सेम ये टेक्यू का क्लास चल रही है क्या अच्छा अच्छा बाहर आप कुछ चल रहे एक्स्ट्रा क्लास okay fine then so no issues Vishal yeah fine then and thank you guys for attending Sahu and Sangyotika and Sujita Vishal guys see you in the evening then machines class yeah thank you guys thank you